So, I was just driving the vehicle today, and I lost my brake lights. Didn't know what the hell was going on. This is the brake switch off of it. So, yeah, you can see that contactor right there burnt. So the only time this thing would activate the brakes is when I stepped on it really hard. So I'm going to solder a new contactor and hopefully it'll fix it. If not, then I'll just buy another one of these. So cool. Older cars can do stuff like this and get away with it, and it's no big deal. A lot of this new stuff solid state, you can't take it apart, you can't fix it, you have to just replace the component. So that's why I like older cars. But yeah, look at that. Pretty sure this one's trash too. So try and take this out. Doesn't want to come out. I'm not going to force it out. So you can stay in your house. This is going to be fun. Try and solder this while, you know, a soldering iron never wants to stay still, or the wires that you're soldering never want to stay still. So let's put some pliers on that and hold it. Let's give it a little tin it up. Let's tin this up. No, we don't have to tin it up. Hopefully this thing doesn't fall apart on me. And hopefully I don't burn myself. Yeah, I'm gonna burn myself. We gotta get some pliers on that. Excuse me 1 second. Okay, I'm back with some pliers. So probably shouldn't have tinned the actual solder. I probably should have left that alone. A little bit. Probably add some more because I don't want all that current to go through that one little spot, because that's going to make this motherfucker hot. That may be too thick. I may have to sand that down. God, focus. I don't have a flathead. God damn it. I do have some keys though. So let's find a key that's not important, not too important. Actually, got this cool bottle opener a friend made me a long time ago, or he didn't make me, he had some in his toolbox. Look at this thing. It's fucking badass. I love it. So I'm just going to use this to try and smush that. Hopefully I don't burn myself. The fucking camera's in the way. Look at that. It's not, you know, a robot didn't make that. I made that. I'm pretty proud of that. Looks pretty fucking good. I'll probably sand it or just say fuck it and let electricity do the work for me.